All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you missed the collision course day, this is a video to help you get caught up, all right? The collision course was a paper that we were using to describe what was happening with different spheres before a collision versus after a collision. Okay, I'll walk you through these 7, and then you can do this paper online or on your own and turn it in when you get a chance. Situation number 1 says, steel ball versus another steel ball in a head-on collision, both traveling the same speed. On the collision course, this is what that looks like. We want you to write or draw very quickly what it looks like before the collision, using arrows to show the speeds as they come together, okay? And then also using arrows to show what happens when those bounce off each other and are moving back in the opposite direction. So, situation number 2, steel ball versus steel ball. One is at rest, and the other one is running into it. If I can get it to stay still. Perfect. Here's what that looks like. One at rest. Again, draw what it looks like before the collision and then immediately after the collision. Steel ball versus steel ball, both moving in the same direction, but the first ball will be moving slower than the second ball. So ball 1 will be rolling, the second ball will catch up to it and collide. Sorry if I'm in your camera view. Okay, one more time. Fourth situation, steel ball versus wooden ball in a head-on collision, both traveling the same speed. We use a slightly larger steel ball than wooden ball, both colliding. Okay, steel ball, wooden ball. Situation number 5, steel ball versus wooden ball. The steel ball is at rest, and now the wooden ball is moving. You want to draw what happens right before the collision and right after the collision. Pretty sad, huh? Here we go. One more time. Situation 6. One steel ball strikes 3 steel balls that are touching at rest in the track. So here are our 3 at rest, and here's 1 running into it. Okay, 3 steel balls at rest, 1 running into it. Okay, our very last one, steel ball versus wooden ball in a head-on collision. The wooden ball will be traveling much faster though. Last time. All right, folks. This worksheet, again, I will also post online for you to use a digital version. But to make these drawings, you either got to use Cami or maybe you need to print it off, okay? But with this video, you should be able to make up the collision course if you missed it.